Junior, we're going to Hawaii?
What? Really?
No, we're not. But we are making Hawaii sliders. We are today making Hawaiian sliders, which I know you've probably seen a ton of them, but the reason we thought these are really great, one, they are, and two, we had some leftover ham after Thanksgiving, and you know, what are you going to do with it? Although we ended up eating it all, so we had to get other ham. But, you know.
We planned on using the Thanksgiving ham, but
we ended up eating it instead.
Yep.
But, so the first things first, we got our little pack of Hawaiian sweet rolls. These are really great. I do love them. And so we're just going to take them out of the package. Pretty simple there. And we're going to cut them in half. If you have a serrated long knife, that's perfect. I do not. I don't know where it is, but I do have a slicer. I'm going to take this off their board. A little sticky. All right.
That means it's going to be nice and good.
Yeah, and so we don't want to break them apart. So we're just going to take a nice long slicer and just cut them simply. These are really good. And I know there's 1,000 recipes for these, and yeah, they're kind of similar, but really it's about the ingredients you use. We actually went and got a really awesome, it's a maple honey cured ham. Here, come here, you. Go, yeah, you there. Not them. You know, reach through the screen. Taste that. That's a good product. See? So when
really good.
When you start with good product, you're gonna have a good ending.
Holy cow, this really is delicious, dude.
I told you. So that's the important things of this. Don't just go buy just junky deli ham and stuff. I went to the deli, but this is a really good uncured, so it doesn't have all the nitrates and garbage in it, which you don't want. And we're gonna use some baby Swiss. I love baby Swiss. It has a really good flavor.
It doesn't look like baby Swiss. It looks like big Swiss.
Yeah, it's a big baby. And you want to get them to slice it, kind of a thicker slice, about an 1/8 of an inch or so, because it's kind of supposed to represent leftover spiral cut ham, which that's what our original idea was. But like I said, we ate the ham.
Yep.
So it's pretty simple. First thing, I got some foil. We're basically gonna make like a hobo pack, but with sandwiches. And these are really great because you can kind of get this part all done ahead of time, put it in your fridge, and then throw it in your oven the day of the event. We do these for brunch a lot of times with a couple little things, salads and stuff. They're great.
Yeah.
And if you have a party, or just, man, they're just good to have. I love them.
Yeah, I mean, you could, let's say you wanted to make like a week of lunches for your kids.
Yeah. There you go.
For school lunches. I mean, you could do that. They're great.
And it's pretty simple. Save this one for later. Actually, but first thing is first, I'm just take a little bit of our mayo and put it on the bottom. You don't want too much, just a little.
What kind of mayo are you using?
I'm using our favorite Sir Kingston's mayo. Love this flavor. It's a little citrusy. But it's one of the best mayos we have found. And we have
really
tasted a lot of mayos.
Yeah, we actually have a podcast on a review of our mayos.
That's right, of all the different ones. So, we're gonna take that. Oh, man, you know what?
What you need? I can get it for you.
I need my sauce pot. I left it in the dish pit.
Oh, this guy.
Well, because we're gonna smother all this greatness with this buttery, oniony, poppy seed little sauce. So we got that. I'm jumping all over the place, but hey, it's just how it is. So we're gonna have half a cup. That's just 1 stick of butter.
Ooh, butter, believe it.
We're gonna get that melting. Now I got this going. It's pretty simple. You put your cheese down. I know, it's crazy. It's probably the hardest thing I've ever done. It takes rocket science. Oh, this is such good cheese. And the reason you're gonna keep it like this, because we'll end up cutting it once it's done baking. Then we're gonna get our really good ham. We're just gonna kind of layer it. It's that simple. And like I said, I know that you've probably seen a ton of these recipes. Ours is similar, a little different. And then, hey, what's better? More cheese, that's right. Whoa. So I'm gonna put on a little more cheese and more ham.
Load that bad boy up.
That's right. So this is almost a pound of ham, not quite. And then I like to take a few little green onions and put on.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
I love the freshness of the green onion. You probably won't see that in most of the recipes. That's kind of our thing.
If you haven't noticed, we like our onion.
Yes, it's a great flavor. So as this butter is melting, I'm gonna take some of our poppy seeds, dump it in there. And we got some of these dried minced onions. I love those things. They're so good.
They are. They add a lot of flavor and it's easy.
No, they really do. And then I'm gonna do a nice big tablespoon of honey.
Eventually.
Yep. Well, you know, honey is shy. And then we got a really good yellow mustard. I know a lot of times you may see Dijon, but this is one of my favorite. It's a Golden's mustard. I just know it's bold and it is yellow. Tablespoon. That's about a tablespoon. And we got a little Worcestershire. Adds a lot of flavor. About a teaspoon of that. Get that stirring. Yep, a little nice cracked pepper.
Oh yeah, can't forget the pepper.
Oh yeah. And of course we're gonna throw in a little smoked salt. Just give a nice little smokiness, and I tell you what, it pairs really good with that ham. A little rubber spoon, get this all incorporated. Tell you what, this is really what makes this delicious. Is because once we'll put this together, we're gonna put another piece of foil, then we're basically gonna pour all this goodness over it, and then we're gonna bake it off. And it's gonna melt and soak into that sweet bread. Woo! I'm getting excited. All right, that's about incorporated. Yeah, you could use a whisk, but I would have had to walk all the way over there for one. All right, so we got our top. Just gonna throw our top on.
Ooh,
Just like that. Now I got a second piece of foil here.
That way you can actually fully close it.
Yes, because I don't want anything leaking out. So we're gonna take our delicious little butter here, honey mustard butter. And at first I'm gonna get some just down along the sides because you want the bottoms to get all this deliciousness too.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna just put that. And then, simple as this. I'm telling you guys, this takes no time.
Oh my gosh.
That's right.
Look at that.
We are not afraid.
No. Cholesterol be damned.
That's right. This is not for dieting. Of course, no, we don't eat these every day.
Yeah, this is not an everyday.
No, this is every now and then. That's what makes it great. I think sometimes our society, we overindulge instead of making things special. This is every now and then. That's why it's so awesome and so special. No, simple. Wrap this bad boy up.
Wow, that's pretty easy.
And I like to put it in a pan, a little sheet pan.
Just in case.
Just in case it leaks. But also if you had like a 13 by 9 baking dish, you could put it in there. I mean, when you throw it in the oven, you don't want it to leak.
Yeah.
And like I said, you can take this, throw it in the fridge, not worry about it till the day you need it. And then when you do, just preheat your oven to 350, and then about 25 minutes, we're gonna bake it, and then we're gonna pull it out, unwrap it, throw it back in there and bake for about 5 minutes to get that nice kind of brown, crusty top.
Ooh.
So into the oven you go. Oh, maybe. All right, so I'm gonna set a timer for 25 minutes, but like always, halfway through, I'll probably come flip it around. So till then, I guess I should clean. All right, well, as you can see, they are obviously out of the oven. And all we did is we took them out. Like we said, we opened it up, put it in for another 5 minutes. Beautiful golden. I mean, as you can,
so good too.
oh, I'm telling you what, it's hard just not to dive into these. But then we just took them out. I used a long spatula, lifted it up on a cutting board, and just cut in between because we didn't pre-cut them. But I'm telling you, look at those guys. I mean, whew.
I'm sorry, that was hilarious. The shot I just got of you like staring those puppies down.
I mean.
Is it time to taste test?
Well, yes, I'm not even gonna wait for you. Well, if you want one, you better get over here.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm on the way. Pull my sleeves up for this.
Yeah, no kidding.
Wow. It smells like honey mustard. Right?
Oh.
It just smells like honey mustard.
And it tastes like heaven. I mean, right? I mean, that ham with a little maple in it, and then the honey, that really bold yellow mustard. I know a lot of the recipes say Dijon. No, look, keep Dijon in France. There's a time and place.
Yep.
Deliciousness like this, Dijon, you stay on your fancy side. This calls for a good old yellow. And I'm telling you what.
Dude.
And the spring onions inside are gives it a nice little freshness. You would think it's super heavy with all that butter,
You
but
would think so, but dude, I am telling you, if you like honey mustard, anything, you are gonna love these. It's just no way around that.
No,
That's just
no. If you like food, you're gonna love these.
yeah.
And I'm telling you what,
Wow.
I know these are some of my favorite things. No, they are not healthy
Nope.
by any means. That's why they're a special occasion. But this is one great occasion.
Yeah. That is good.
So they're quick, they're simple. Man, that's what we love about holiday cooking. Is you want it really good, but you want to have that time to spend with your family, to spend with your guests. You know, you don't want to always be in the kitchen. Although when you're cooking stuff like that, the people will come to the kitchen with
Yeah,
the
they
smells
start
that go
smelling
on.
that.
I'm telling you. So, well, I'm going to continue and finish at least this one and maybe a few more.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably I don't know.
But just remember, give these a try. The recipes in the description, plus the website information's in the description.
Absolutely.
And remember, while you're looking at the recipe, just go ahead and hit that little like, subscribe, thumbs up. Because I'm telling you what, you try these, you can't thumbs down this.
Yeah.
This is delicious.
And don't forget to hit the bell so you know when we post videos
Yes.
just like these.
And even though you've probably seen these Hawaiian sliders around, the way we do ours is definitely different and definitely better.
Absolutely.
Just what
It's
can I
true.
say?
It's
Chefs are a little cocky.
Yeah, I haven't had a slider this good.
I don't know. So, well, we got some eating to do. So until next time, remember, keep camping and keep cooking.
Yeah.
Ho, ho, ho.